The Fine Arts Center Theater Company presents a musical of biblical proportions. Joseph and the Amazing Technicolor Dreamcoat opens this Friday and runs through December 19th. Based on the Coat of Many Colors biblical story, this colorful retelling of Joseph's wild adventures involving 11 jealous brothers, his uncanny abilities as an interpreter of dreams, and one very loud garment comes from the creative team of composer Andrew Lloyd Webber and lyricist Tim Rice of Evita, Phantom of the Opera, and Jesus Christ Superstar fame. Special discounted family matinees are available. You can call 719-634-5583 or visit csfineartscenter.org for more information. And Manitou Springs' hometown holiday event sets the tone for the upcoming season this weekend with free hot chocolate and cider, live music, fireworks, and Santa arriving on a fire engine. The free to the public and family-oriented event is set for this Friday at 5 p.m. at the Town Clock in the center of downtown Manitou Springs. Manitou Springs and downtown Colorado Springs are also proud participants of Small Business Saturday, which is a national effort on Saturday, November 27th, to encourage consumers to support small businesses in their local community. They are also participating in Colorado's statewide 4th annual Buy Local Week campaign, which is November 26th through December 3rd, reminding you to connect with locally owned businesses in our community. Pick up The Independent today, just in time for the Thanksgiving holiday. It's full of ideas for the long weekend. It's available all around town and online at siacindy.com. For the Indy Minute, I'm Jack Ward.